What's good, YouTube, man? We back with another one. It's a POV right here. We on our way to go get some eats. Getting some Jersey Mike's, something easy, light. Not, well, maybe not light, but it's light to get. It's easy to get. There's no big wait time or nothing like that, you know? Don't really feel like going to wait or even driving into the city. So, getting some Jersey Mike's tonight. Should be good, I guess. Right now we on the way. We taking some back roads, trying to avoid the highway for a little bit, at least, because it is backed up. It's rush hour. It's 5:20. Big fan of back road driving during the day, especially at night. It's just as fun. You got to be on your toes. After the construction, Top Golf opened up. Needs to check that out. Been to Top Golf once in Vegas, which was actually a really good experience. And I've heard that, well, it says Top Tracer there, but I've heard that they don't have something like, I guess, power tees, something else. Oh wow, that light is quick. It's my first time here. That light is fast. Oof, pothole, man. Hate these damn potholes. Traffic was really probably back there, because this is not bad right here. Yeah, I probably can't. I could get over if I wanted to. How far are we going? 4 miles? Maybe a little slowdown up here. Should I get over? It's time to be tough decisions. I be looking at the left lane to see if the left lane is like actually progressing and moving, but like it be seeming like they moving, but then you see, boom, like now we caught up again. So it's like I be like contemplating going over sometimes. People be loving to get in the left lane, but the left lane be the lane people be chilling in the most. Cruising, like, bro, this is supposed to be the passing lane. Space up there, but it's like I don't even get like what's the slowdown for. Like there's no accident, there's no construction, like it's like the whole thing of people hitting their brakes, that's what causes people to brake behind. You cause traffic. Like, bro, like, look at this guy, was literally in full stop with people in front of him, dude. Like, that's what I mean. Like, they just really just be cruising. Like, why you know what I mean? Like, I don't know, maybe it's because we don't drive manual or something. I don't really be hitting my brakes, so it's like I don't need to cause that reaction behind me, because that reaction is what starts everything. If I could just keep pace, you know what I mean? Like, see buddy behind me, he riding me like behind me, pause, but hey yo, I can't even finish what I was saying. Dude's tailgating me, and he should not be, because then he's not gonna be able to slow down. If, you know, like, I'm not gonna hit my brakes, but you're not gonna know until you seem like you getting too close. Like a old head right now. Like, it's crazy, like. Just like, why? Like, this guy right here is driving super slow himself. Like that. My very first car, bought it myself. It was a manual. I didn't even know how to drive manual at the time. Went to go pick that shit up, paid cash. I went around the block with the guy a couple times. He was like, you got it? I didn't really have it, but I had it enough. Took that bitch on the highway. By the time I made it home, I was Gucci. I understood the mechanics of what was going on in the vehicle, like what I was doing, what did what. I understood manual after watching videos, of course, but yeah, I really had a grasp of it. Like a 30-minute drive on the highway home, I was like, okay, so this is why this makes sense, that makes sense, and I was able to understand, you know, letting off the pedal, like, you know, grabbing a clutch, catching all of that, you know, like, so it made sense. So anybody out there who's thinking about getting manual or driving a manual car, a standard car, I definitely say do it. It's way more fun. Don't be afraid. I would definitely say start with something less powerful, obviously. Like, don't jump into a STI WRX as your first car, manual. But you know, like, the cars nowadays, like, I know the Toyota Corolla, the new ones, the GRs and all those, like, they have actual, like, modes in it. It's like IM or MT mode, whatever, that actually helps you. It helps the person shift and, like, drive manual, I guess. Like, it helps you catch the gears, so it's pretty good. And some cars, even now, some manual cars come with rev matching, so that's another thing to help. So yeah, don't be afraid. Technology nowadays has come a long way to help you get started. Once you get your feet wet, you'll see how fun it is. Fuck. I missed that. That's on me. I could have did better. Nothing's wrong. I like to hit my downshifts right. I don't like my downshifts sounding bad. I don't know about you guys. I like my downshifts sounding nice for some pops. If it got a little pop when it's warm. Yes, sir. Here to get the eats. Here to get the eats, my friend. Eats, my friend. Before I get the eats, I'm gonna go hit this. I got a shop back there while I probably wait for my food, and then I'll be back. Meantime, I'm gonna set this up in the other spot, so I guess you might be able to get a little scene of me or something, and then just let it roll. Or maybe not, because I don't need it to be that long. Well, yeah, I'll let it roll, and that's how I end it when I come back with the food. Yeah, that makes sense. Actually, it's already 12 minutes, damn. All right, we're going to stop this one here, and we're going to make a second video. That's what we're going to do. So, second video, just some B-roll, you know, coming. But yeah, man, thanks for watching this video. By the time you watch this video, you might as well just go watch the one that came out after this one. That's the continuation of this one. Hit that like, subscribe, man. I do appreciate it, man. You guys hit that like and subscribe. It means a lot. Help this channel grow. Help more people see it. It's pretty cool that, you know, I'm getting this, you know, this is a lot of views to me. So, yeah, that's pretty cool to me. So I do appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Keep an eye out for that next one.